Hey, what's up everyone, Denis here, and it's that time of the month again where I review my stock portfolio. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. The goal of my videos is document my journey to $1 million and document my ups and downs along the way. And trust me, there was a lot of downs in the last few weeks. But with that being said, I'm just going to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor, and let's get into it. So last few months I've been actually super busy, and it's not really an excuse for not making a video once a month, but I'm sorry, so apologies for that. And actually at the end of October I went to America for a 2 weeks road trip across the states, and then after that I followed into Mexico, which is where I'm at right now. And in Mexico I had some visa issues which I had to sort out, and I fly back to America and fly back to Mexico, but all of that is now sorted, and I'm actually becoming a permanent resident here. In fact, let me show you around. All right, so this is like my kitchen. This is an apartment, like a studio. We have the bed, TV, the whole shebang, and let me show you outside real quick. This is what it looks like outside. So yeah, as you can see, I'm in Mexico. I'm actually in Mexico, no longer in New Zealand, but yeah, it's fun. It's been great. But anyway, let's get back to the stock review. During my travel times, I didn't pay attention to my stock portfolio, and I think around November, stocks and crypto were at all-time high, which is when I should have trimmed it. Did I do that? No, of course I didn't. And so now I'm paying the price for that, and in fact my stock portfolio is down about 100K. I'm not sure what that is for my crypto, but it is what it is and nothing I can do. In fact, you can check with my stock portfolio for October and November and see the difference in how much it was. All of this is happening is because the Fed announced that they're going to be looking to tighten the quantitative easing, which means the money printer is going to stop. And they think they make the decision in March. And so the market is now in shock and it's waiting what happens next. And meanwhile, I'm just drinking margaritas. What else can you do in such environment? But overall, the companies and projects I've invested into are really good, and I expect them to recover in the near future. But of course, time will tell. And right now, I'm just faced with a decision whether to invest in dollar cost average into my current projects, or wait until the Fed is much more clear with what they're gonna do. And I think this Wednesday they're waiting for inflation data, and that will actually probably set the trajectory for the decision that they're gonna make. However, I'm still pretty positive that they're gonna increase interest rates by March, so here we are. My stock portfolio hasn't grown in cash either because I've been focusing more on increasing my crypto portfolio, and my crypto portfolio tanked a lot as well with the stock portfolio. In fact, it's a bit much harder for me to track the percentage decrease right now, and it's something that I'm trying to figure out. And at the same time, I did try to ape it into some projects, made some wins, made more losses, I think, and so right now I need to reevaluate my strategy as a trader or am I an investor, and I'm leaning myself towards more investing into good projects and holding them for medium to long term, assuming the story doesn't change, because the big issue that I'm facing right now is time. And I met some guys here that are traders and they spend a lot of time, but I run businesses and I have other activities, and so dedicating my time is a bit limited on top of making videos and things like that. So yeah, that's where I'm facing right now, and I'm gonna decide in the next near future as to what am I gonna do. And I actually probably know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna focus on investing into good projects, and if opportunities present themselves and I can dedicate some of my funds to like those risky plays, I will do that as well. Overall, I just need to make better investing decisions and not rush the process, or specifically FOMO. That's what I noticed myself with crypto lately. I've been FOMOing into projects. I had the same experience with stocks at the start of the year, start of last year. And you'd think I would have learned, but clearly emotions took over, and so it is what it is. Lesson learned. Now I need to improve, adapt, and overcome. So with that being said, it is a bit sad to see my stock portfolio down. I imagine no one likes to see that, but it is what it is, and it's part of the game. So my goal right now is to build better habits, become a better investor, and trust the process. And eventually I will reach my target. And I hope you do too as well. Well, I'm sure you will. We're all gonna make it, am I right? But at the same time, I hope you found this update useful, and I'll see you next month. One more thing though, if you want to see what I get up to in Mexico and my other travel adventures across America, then follow me on my TikTok. I would appreciate it very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this as well. Anyways, have a wonderful day and see you next time. Peace.